Today's arbitrage hunting video, I'm going to show you another app that you can use to source for arbitrage opportunity online. This will always help you to depend on your own arbitrage opportunity and also get to understand more about arbitrage and how they works. So today, what we'll be using, the app we'll be using to source for arbitrage opportunity in this video is Arbix. What you need to do is to go to your app store, download that app, and then launch it. So when you launch it, you're going to see something like this. You see it's just like a triangular arbitrage, something like triangular arbitrage, but something related to that. Now, you are going to see a lot of exchanges on this very platform. There are very great exchanges here, and these are arbitrage opportunities that you just need to exploit. All right, so let's go straight to the video and let me show you the very first arbitrage opportunity on this app. As you can see, we have Ascendex here. So when you launch this app, you're going to see some kind of bugs like advert and the rest, because we're actually using the free version. All right, but you can easily skip it and then get source for arbitrage yourself. Now you're going to see internal multiples. You're also going to see internal singles, internal multiples, sorry, external multiples, external singles. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you just a few of them that is useful to you. So let's try the very first one here, internal multiples, and then click on it. When you click on it, you can see that this app is just going to scan out the arbitrage opportunity out there for you. As you can see on this very place, you can see it's telling you to buy here and then sell here. So there is ETH USDT arbitrage opportunity here, and there's link and ETH arbitrage opportunity here. So what you do is you buy here and you sell here, and as you can see, this is your profit. So that is the profit you're going to make. So that is how this actually works. But don't worry guys, I know it's going to be a little bit confusing because it is your first time of using the app, but don't worry. I'm going to be showing you two major types that you're going to be that you can easily source for arbitrage opportunity with this, and that is the internal multiple and the external multiple. So if I click on the internal multiple, you are going to see a lot of currencies here. You're going to see a lot of cryptocurrencies here. So what the internal multiple does is that it's going to be comparing the different currencies with the other currencies. So it's actually going to tell you where to buy and where to sell. So it compares one currency and the other. So instead of using a particular stable coin to buy a particular crypto, you can actually use another crypto, something like this one, for example. You can actually buy BTC here and then come here and then sell it for ETH here. You're using your USDT to buy BTC right here, and then you come here and you sell that particular BTC for ADA, and you're going to make the 0.65 profit. So this actually requires a huge amount of capital to get a good result. Now it just works over and over like that. Just like here, you buy USD, you buy BTC here and then sell it for LTC. Then you come here, you buy BTC here and sell it for ETH, which is F. Then you come here, you buy BTC here and sell it for Doge here, and you're going to make some little profit. Okay, there's no profit here, but there's actually profit here when you buy your BTC and sell it for F right here currently, but it will require a huge capital to gain some little commission. As you can see, it is just 0.11 profit that you're going to be making. Actually filter this, you can filter this and then change it from ascending to descending, and what this does is that it's going to bring you from the highest profits to the lowest profit. So as you can see here, I've changed it to descending, as you can see there. So we already have the highest profit there at the top, which is the ASD. So when we buy the ASD here, we'll now come here and sell it BTC, and this is what we are going to make. Although it is reading negative, to use this to spot the right one for yourself and be able to invest in it. So this is all about the internal multiples. Now let me show you how the external multiple works so that you also know the one to use. So let's click on the external multiples. When you click on the external multiples, you are going to see that what the external multiple does is that it brings you several exchanges and comparing where to buy and where to sell. So as you can see here, that is why on their logo is just something like triangular arbitrage like that. So you buy here, you choose here, you buy here, and then you sell here, and then withdraw from Binance or Bybit or whatever. So what we're going to be doing, as you can see, we already have Ascendex here. So we are going to choose another platform that we will search for arbitrage opportunities. So in this case, let me take, for example, Bitress. So let me take, for example, Bitress. So in my previous video, I taught you about Bitrance, and most of you were able to make profit. And among those that made profit, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also support this channel, because this will help the YouTube algorithm to push this video to people that are searching for related stuff like this. All right. So now, for example, I choose Bitress now, and the next thing I want to do now is to click on search. So when I click on search, what this app is going to do is that it's going to scan through and let us know if there's an arbitrage opportunity. But currently, I think that there's no arbitrage opportunity here, and that is why it's telling us network issue. But that's no network issue. There's no arbitrage opportunity there. Now let me check the Bitbank and then click on search. So this is actually going to roll and then bring out where we have arbitrage opportunity. So as you can see, there is an arbitrage opportunity between the Ascendex and the Bitbank. So what you need to do is just go to this platform, you buy from the Ascendex. Okay, sorry, you buy from the Bitbank and then sell on Ascendex, and then you make this profit. You make 11.77 profit. So this is how this platform actually works. You can also go and do more research for yourself, and this is all I do. I just try things for myself, and then when it works, I come here and then teach you guys, show you how to make money online. So if you are finding value in what I'm doing right on this channel, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I believe you got value from this. Thank you for watching, guys, and then see you next time.